Andrej Karpathy, one of the co-creators of ChatGPT, feels overwhelmed by the amount of information in artificial intelligence right now. I found that very reassuring as somebody who is having to filter the signal from the noise. He's put together notes based on his experience using Claude Code. It has been what everybody's talked about for good reason. It is extremely good. A lot of software engineers, developers are angry, worried, in stages of grief about what it means for their jobs. Listening to someone like Andrej Karpathy, who helped build ChatGPT, is useful. Here we go. Programming feels more fun because a lot of the drudgery is removed and what remains is the creative part. I feel less stuck and experience more courage because there's almost always a way to make positive progress. I've seen the opposite sentiment. LLM coding will split engineers based on those who primarily like coding and those who primarily liked building. If you are the kind of person who enjoys or are very good at writing syntax, writing line, you probably hate AI coding because it might be better at it than you. Increasingly, models are getting better than most programmers. 2, it has removed your job because the writing of individual lines of syntax is relatively solved or will be shortly. And 3, it has taken away something that you found fun, something you enjoyed. Now you can do it for fun, but it is no longer a very productive use of your time. However, for other coders, for other developers, for other people, including entrepreneurs, I'm going to put it here, who enjoy building, creating stuff, this is exciting. AI coding can now write syntax at the level of a human. The line-by-line code is terrible for some people and fantastic for others. And it depends who you are and how much you enjoy writing code and building something. We're moving up the levels of abstraction. So instead of having to worry about each individual line, you're now worrying about a larger shape. So the module, function, entire app itself, or the business around the app itself, which if you are entrepreneurial, if you enjoy building, if you enjoy much larger builds, this is exciting. This captures what we're seeing in the market and why we're seeing some coders hating artificial intelligence, hating vibe coding, hating AI augmented coding, whilst others are saying, no, this is fantastic. This frees me up. This allows me to do so much more. This here, LLM coding, was split up engineers based on those who primarily like coding and those who liked building. This is the key fission between the two. I'm going to put this in the newsletter. It's a long article about the slopocalypse. We're going to see more AI hype productivity theater on the side of actual real improvements. He talks about leverage, speed, tenacity. It's a good read, even if you're not a programmer.